figured I'd show you how I ran my wiring on my gun here from my laser, which is laser, and the light. Okay. The light comes out of the back, runs underneath these rails here, runs underneath it right there, or actually right there. Comes out right there, goes down. It's the first one on top. This is my light. Push it for you. Bright light. Laser. I got mine right here. It's got one of the same cords on it like that, but it's a little different. I ran it straight up here around the side. I have to go in there and kind of tweak that where I want it to go for sure, but it goes down underneath. It goes in between my covers and all that. Fits in there real good. Comes down. And that's that one. That's it.